Hi boys and girls, welcome back to History Lane. Here we meet some of our history's heroes through using our creative hands. Today we meet Hillel HaZaken, Hillel the Elder, known for his kindness and patience. We'll be creating a lemon oobleck, a fun squeezy toy. But the key is to have patience when you play with it, a lesson we'll learn from Hillel today. Here are the supplies we will need: a half a cup of cornstarch, blue food coloring, a bowl, a funnel, disposable gloves, an empty water bottle, a hole puncher, scissors, a 3-inch long piece of light brown pipe cleaner, 1 square inch piece of light green foam, a popsicle stick, a yellow balloon, and a 1/4 cup and 2 teaspoons of water. Let's begin. Squeeze 4 drops of blue food coloring into a 1/4 cup and 2 teaspoons of water and mix it with a popsicle stick. Pour a half a cup of cornstarch and the blue water into a bowl, put on disposable gloves and mix it until the cornstarch is integrated into the water. Hillel lived from about 3651 to 3768 or 110 BCE to 8 CE during the time of the second Beis HaMikdash, the second Holy Temple. Place a funnel over an empty water bottle and transfer the oobleck mixture through the funnel. Hillel only began intensive Torah study at age 40. Years later, he was appointed the leader of the Jewish people. He established a house of study, Beis Hillel, which viewed the law through a lens of compassion influenced by his kind nature. Partially blow up a yellow balloon, twist the opening to hold the air inside, then stretch it over the neck of the water bottle. One time, as Hillel was preparing for Shabbos, a man came to him with strange and insulting questions, intending to aggravate him. Flip the bottle over and allow the oobleck to float into the balloon. Then carefully remove the balloon from the bottle's opening, release the air, and knot it tightly. Afterward, cut off most of the balloon's end, whatever sticks up over the knot. The man in our story returned twice more, each time with another unimportant question, but without fail, Hillel remained patient and answered his questions with composure. Next, fold the piece of green foam in half and cut it into a half-moon shape to create a leaf. Then use a hole puncher to punch a hole toward the bottom of the leaf. Thread a light brown piece of pipe cleaner through the leaf's hole and wind the pipe cleaner around the top part of the balloon, starting under the knot. Cut off any excess pipe cleaner. To make a second lemon, follow the above steps again. Back to our story. When the man saw he couldn't anger Hillel, he became upset, realizing he had lost 400 zuz, a big sum of money. He had made a deal with someone. He would win this sum if he could anger Hillel, but if not, he would have to pay it. Hillel responded, "It is better that you lose 400 zuz rather than I get angry." When someone does a behavior that irritates you, it can be easy to lose it or get upset. But Hillel teaches us to be compassionate and patient no matter what. What would a kind, patient response to someone look like? The more slowly and patiently you squeeze the oobleck, the quicker it melts and flows. Here's the science behind it. Oobleck doesn't follow the rules of how liquids usually behave. When you touch it gently or let it sit still, it flows like a liquid. But if you punch it or squeeze it, it feels hard like a solid. Its particles lock together under pressure, which is why it gets stiff when you move it quickly. Also, we made this oobleck in the shape of a fruit, a lemon, as another reminder about patience. After all, planting a fruit sure takes a lot of patience. Make sure to squeeze carefully so the balloon doesn't pop. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We hope to see you back again next week.